Become Navodayan Navodaya Preparation classes, especially by Navodayans. Mental Ability, Chapter number 3, Incomplete Figures. Still now we have completed our odd man out and similarity mental ability figures. And in this chapter we are going to learn how to do incomplete figures. In this chapter we will be having lot of figures which are not complete, and we are here to complete that figure, and then we have to search for the figure which is matching with the drawn picture. And here you can see an example of an incomplete figure. Here we have three parts of the figure which are already drawn and complete, and this part is left which is incomplete, and we need to draw this figure very carefully. So first of all, here is a rhombus and this part of the figure is not completed, so we will be carefully drawing this incomplete figure, and then at the end we need to draw an edge of circle at this corner, and then we have to draw a line which is connecting this corner to this circle. So this is how we need to complete the figure first, and then we need to search where does this match is there. So the edge A is not matching because the direction is from this to this, but it is in other direction, and here this line should come from this corner to this corner, right? So it is also eliminated, and here this is also in opposite direction, C is also eliminated. Finally we have this match at option number D, so we will be selecting D as our correct answer for this question. This is how we have to draw and find out which is incomplete figures. Okay, so after knowing this we will be able to do all the things on our own. So let's enter into our real game and let's do our exercises in Navodaya textbook. And the next chapter is chapter number 3, incomplete figures. In this chapter there will be figures which are incomplete like this. 3 are filled but 1 is not filled, right? Then who need to fill that? Who will be filling that? We will be drawing the complete figure, right? In this chapter there are different models of incomplete figures. We will be knowing about them one by one. In the first case, all the figures, like all the 3 given figures, will be following a pattern, same pattern. Everything is same here, like every box is having a same kind of X here, here also X, and here also X. So all the 3 figures are same. So in the fourth figure also we will be drawing the same X. So that will be the answer for our figure. And in the second case, here see, left one is not matching with the right one, but this figure, top figure, is matching with the bottom figure, right? So if it is like this, then what we have to do and how we have to think. In this case, we need to take look at this top figure, and we need to draw the same figure in the bottom box, right? So we will be drawing same like this. But here this figure, do you know how the mirror figures looks like? If there is a mirror here, if there is a line here, then the reflection of this line will be like this, right? Here also it is happening same. The top figure is mirror figure of the bottom figure. Here also we need to draw the same. So how to draw the mirror figures? We will be touching the same line and it will goes to here, and then this line will be like this. Here there is a circle, so we will be drawing a circle here. So where is this figure? That we can see here. Okay, this is how we have to follow if 2 of the boxes are same and 1 is different. Let's go to the third model. Here the left one is mirror figure of right one, right? See, here the circle is like this, and in the right one it is like this. These are what we call mirror figures, right? Mirror figures are nothing but they are left will be seen in the right side and right will be seen in the left side, right? And top will be at the top only and bottom will be at the bottom only. Here also we need to draw the mirror figure for this left one. So that will be starting from here and it will goes to here, and this can be drawn like this. So this is why the answer is like this. And the next model is, here no picture is same, but this top one is mirror figure of bottom one, right? See here, if the circle is there, here it is the circle is there. So we have to draw the mirror figure for this top one. That is, this line comes here and then these lines will go here, and there is a triangle which is outside of the figure. So we will be drawing triangle here. That's why we got the answer like this. And the next model is, here if you could see, this figure is mirror figure of opposite figure. Okay, this is diagonally opposite, what we call diagonally opposite. That means they are not facing each other. One figure is here and another figure is here. So we call them this as diagonal, right? These are diagonally opposite and mirror figures. So we will be drawing diagonally opposite and mirror figure here. So we need to follow the top left figure, and so that the line can be drawn like this, and then inside there is a rhombus, and then we have to draw the line like this. So this can be seen in the answer figure also. And the next model is like, here also these figures are diagonally same, right? These two figures are same. So we need to just copy the top left figure here. That is a into mark here, and then a small line from here, and then a small triangle, and then a circle. This can be seen in answer here. And the next one is, here these are not diagonally same and these are not opposite, but we need to complete this figure. So by looking into this, you can see we need to complete this figure. Simply we can extend these lines. That is, we can extend this line to this corner and we can extend this line to this corner, so that this line figure gets completed. This is what we can see in the answer. Here also small example is there, and here we need to complete the figure. That can be, this is a simple hexagon, so this can come here and then this comes here and then a line. And this can be found, we will be having 4 options, A, B, C and D, right? We need to find out which one is matching this one from the answers. So which one is matching here? C is same as the figure we have drawn. So we will be selecting C as our correct answer. Okay. Next we will be entering into our exercise number 1 of incomplete figures. Let's look into figure number 1. Here we are having 3 parts of same kind of figures, but they are directed towards like this. This part is directed this direction, this one is going this one, and here it is like this one. So we have to complete this circle and also that internal part. Okay, so we have to draw this figure by using pencil carefully. Okay, there are 2 lines, and then this line is connecting with the curve, and also this is come like this, and then we are having an internal shape, right? So we have to find out at which place exactly this kind of figure is existed. We have to eliminate one by one. Here the outside part is shaded, right? So we will be eliminating D. Okay, and then this needs to be in this direction, but D is like it is not matching with the direction we need. So this is also cancelled. Okay, here in here there is an extra line in between this figure. That's why we will be eliminating A also. Finally we have the C, which is matching with the figure we need. So we will be selecting C as our correct answer. And next one is we will be completing this figure as well. So we have to take the pencil and we need to draw this figure very carefully. So we have a very small rectangle here, and then so this rectangle is very small, so we need to draw this very carefully. And then we have a shaded part here. So this is also a small rectangle, but this is shaded, right? And then we need to complete other parts as well. So we will be completing this hexagon first. So hexagon will be having its edge from here to here, and then we need to complete this hexagon from here to here, right? And then we need to complete this internal shapes. These are like short bullets, right? So we will be completing them as well. So this figure will come still this as straight figure, and then this will get turned. And here also it will come here, and then it needs to be turned from here, right? So this will be like this. We need to find out the exact figure from this. Yes, here in the top, here we need shaded part, here we need unshaded part. So we need to eliminate one by one here. Here it is shaded, so we will be eliminating D. And here, so find one more thing which we can eliminate. Okay, here see, look at this part, it is not matching with the figure we have drawn. So we will be eliminating this as well. And look at the other things. Here none of the figure and the box is not touched anywhere, but here it is touching, so we will be eliminating A as well. And all everything and what we expected, everything was fine and matching with C, so we will be selecting C as our correct answer. And the next one is, here we are having fishes, and all the fishes are in different directions. So first of all we will be completing this square first. So look at the squares, everything is fine, right? And next we will be looking upon this fishes. So eye of this fish was firstly at here, and next it went to clockwise direction, that is to top right, and then bottom down, and then the eye should be at this direction, right? So eye should be at this direction. So first of all we can eliminate this fish because the direction is not matching. And then here no fish is having this kind of dots, right? So we will be eliminating this fish as well. And every fish is having a dark color shaded tail, but in D this fish is not having dark colored tail, so we will be eliminating D as well. So what is left, and is everything matching with the figure we want? Yes, so we will be selecting B as our correct answer. And the next one is fourth one. We need to complete this aquarium kind of thing. It is like a, so we need to complete this circle, and then here all the fishes should be here, that fishes are facing towards left direction. So in our figure it will be right direction, right? But fishes will be same. First one we have a thick fish, and then thin fish, and here also small fish, right? So we will be eliminating one by one here. In the option number A, all the fishes are same. It is not what we want, so we will be eliminating this figure. And then in option C, these two fishes are same, so this is not what we want, so we will be eliminating C as well. And here also this one and this one are very large, so we will be eliminating D as well. Of course this one is not exactly matching with the same small figure, but apart from all the other, comparing with other things, this one is maximum matching answer, right? So we will be selecting B as our correct answer. And the next one is 5. Here we are having, this is the model where diagonally opposite, this one is same as this one. So we need to draw the picture which is similar to here, right? So first of all we will be completing this box, okay, and after completing this box, next we have to draw the figure which is similar to this one, right? Here we are having a figure like this, and then this goes like this, and then we need to check on our, and internally we all have a square here, right? And that square is starting from here and it will go like this. So what we can eliminate first? First of all we can eliminate B because it is having an extra part, and then what we are expecting is in A and C, but D is in other direction, so we will be eliminating D also. So we are left with C and A. So we will compare this. So left side, and here also left hand side same, but here this top one and bottom should be shaded, right? So if we compare like this, then we can select one among A and C that is matching with the C. So we will be selecting C as our correct answer. And the next one is sixth figure. In this figure we could see a large circle here. So we will be completing this circle first, and then we'll also complete other figures as well. Okay, so this is completing our main circle, and then we will be completing these small figures. Here one it is, and then here it is. Okay, and after this we could see there is a cylinder kind of thing which is connecting this circle along with the outer circle, right? So this is like this, and then here it is a turn there, and then we need to have a outer kind of thing here, and then there is a internal circle here, right? So we will be drawing an internal circle which is connecting all the edges, right? This is how the figure should be. So by looking into this, how we can eliminate one by one. Okay, here the direction should be like this. So A is eliminated because it is not, it should be like this, but it is in the other way, so it is not good. And here in the B, this figure should be half given, but it is given fully, so it is also not selected. We will be eliminating this figure, and then we have these two figures, that is C and D. While comparing this circle should be internal of the cylinder, but it came outside, right? So we will be eliminating C as well. So finally D is the one which we can be filled into the part of that figure. So the correct answer is D. We will be selecting D as our correct figure. And then the next one is seventh one. Here we need to complete the figure as well. Okay, first of all we can draw this rectangle like this, and then we will be completing this small rectangle also. This can be drawn like this, and then we need to draw this rectangle. And here this rectangle is not connected to the top line, so we are drawing it separately, and then we have a circle which is connecting both these rectangles, right? So we will be drawing this circle here. So the figure which is matching to this one is here, the left one, this one is not connected to the line, so we will be eliminating A. And here this should be like it may match, we will be keep it up next one. Here we have different figures, so we will be eliminating this, and we have a extra circle here, so we eliminating this. The last one we have is B. Here everything is matching. This rectangle is as per our requirements, and this small rectangle is also fine, and this rectangle is also as we expected. So the correct answer is B. And the next one is eighth one. In this figure also we need to complete this hexagon first. Okay, so this hexagon can come to here, and then we need to complete this cylinder here. Okay, so that can be completed like this. So we can find this at, so this is not what we want, and this is also not, it is same as the upper one, so it is not correct. And the one which it is also showing the large number of space, and this line should be like this, so we will be eliminating D as well, and the correct one is A. So next figure is 9th one. Here we already have this figure, we need to complete everything very carefully. So first of all, let me complete this circle. This circle is coming from there to here, so where it is touching. So before that, we can complete this oval shape. Okay, and then we have a circle which is touching this, and this is what we require, right? So we need to search for this. Here we have the circle part and this, but we don't have this rectangle path, and here we given extra path, so we will be eliminating C, and this is not the direction which we want, so D is also eliminated. Now we have only these things. Okay, here the question is bit confusing. In every question the fourth part is given empty, but in this question the black one, like some part of the answer is already given, right? So actually we need this hexagon also, right? So we will be selecting A only, so B is eliminated. And the next one is 10. So first of all, we need to complete this circle, and then we will complete this rectangle, and then we need to complete this internal things, kite kind of thing. So this can come here, and this can go here, and then we have a outer one. And next comes the shading part. The shading part is at the clockwise direction. This is clockwise, this is clockwise. Here also we will be getting at the clockwise direction only. So we need to find out at which figure the required figure is there. Okay, and we will be searching for that. Here the shading part is at other side, so we will eliminate A. And here we can check, but here we have an extra line given, so we will be eliminating B as well. And then also in the middle this is there, but shading is not correct, so we will eliminate C. And then finally D is correct, so we will be selecting D as our correct answer. And at 11th figure we need to complete all these circles and other figures as well. Okay, so first let me complete this inner circle and then this. So you can do the same drawing, symmetrical drawing with pencils on your textbooks. Okay, I am drawing with not pencil, so it is not coming exactly as wanted. So you can do this action by using your pencils. Okay, so we have to find out the correct ones. This is in this direction, but this one is in opposite direction, so we will be eliminating C. And then in middle we got an extra line here, so we will be eliminating D as well. And then this should not come outside, this is should internally be like this, so correct answer is B. And the next one is 12. Here we will be completing this figure, so let me draw this parallelogram, and then we need to draw this square, and then we have a small, this may become somewhat bigger one, and then we have a circle kind of part of circle, right? Okay, and here we need to change, look for the same one. Here they given a circle, so we will be eliminating this, and here we don't want this extra line, so C is also eliminated. Here the direction of this is different, so D is also eliminated, and the correct direction and correct figure is there in A, so we will be selecting A as our correct answer. Here we need to complete this figure, so first of all we will be completing our parallelogram, and then we need to complete this. So this comes like this, and then we have a circle here. These are shaded, so this will not be shaded, and then we need to draw this line. So we have to check for this figure in the answer figures. First of all, D is shaded, so we will be eliminating D, and then here the line should be in this direction, but it is given other direction, so A is also eliminated, and then we are left with B and C. But here it is straight and we want like this, right? So C is also eliminated and correct answer is B. And the next one is 14th one. Here we need to complete this figure. So first of all, we need to draw this. So kite kind of thing, and then we need to complete this circle, and we have a one more circle here. We have a eye like kind of thing here. We need to search for this. The circle is starting from here and it is going in this direction. So it should be like this, right? So A is also eliminated. This is fine, and B looks same, but before selecting this we need to check others also. Here the position of the circle is wrong, so eliminate C, and here extra figures are given, so eliminate D, and the correct answer is B, right? And in the 15th one we need to complete this figure. One line, and let me draw this first. Okay, one line, this is second line, and this is third line, right? So this is what we are expecting. So two dots and one small line. Two dots and one small line that we can see in C4. So we will be selecting C as our correct answer. And the next one is 16. Here, first of all, let's complete this circle, and then we have this is shaded and this is not shaded. So we will be drawing this rectangle, and this is shaded, and here this is also shaded, and we need to draw this here, and we have a circle inside. So two shaded parts, and everything looks good here. So let's keep an eye, and here this should not be shaded, so B is eliminated. Here this left one is shaded, but this one is not shaded, so we will be eliminating C as well. So, and the last one comes here. Here also this needs to be shaded, but not given not shaded, so we will be eliminating D. So as per our, we will be selecting A as our correct answer. And the next one is 17. Here also we will be completing this figure, and next one is we need to complete this, and this one we will be selecting as. Okay, so this is the correct figure. So we will be checking for the same from here. Okay, and the correct answer is here. This one is there, but this is somewhat straight, but we don't want like this. We want something like this, right? So we'll eliminate B, and then this requires to be go like this, but it is wrong. So eliminate C. And next one is, so A is not going fine. It should be like this, and then this should be like this, but correct answer is D, because all the rectangle shapes and other shapes are fine with D only. So we will be selecting D as our correct answer. And the next one here is, we will be completing this circle first, and then this rectangle, and here we got diagonals, and here we need to draw this elongated circle. So we will be keeping a dark point here. So by looking into this, the direction is like this, right? So here we got the different one, so we will be eliminating C. We eliminated C. And the next one is, here The last one is given as a diamond shape. That is not what we require, so we will be eliminating D as well. So by looking into this, what is the correct one? This circle should be here, right? And it is there in the B. So eliminate A and we will be selecting B as our. And the next one is 19 one. Here we need to complete these circles. This is first circle and this is second circle and this is third circle. Okay, and then we have to draw a triangle from here to here and then from here to here. It is like this, right? So we will search for this figure. So everywhere this should be like this. So C is eliminated and we need to have one more circle here, that is 1, 2, 3 circles, but here we got C, could not see the third circle, so we are eliminating that. And here this should not be like this, so A is also eliminated and the correct answer is B. And last one of this exercise, that is 20. Here we need to complete this figure and inside we need to place a divided by symbol and here also. So these two are opposite and these are same, and here also these are same. And these are same, we need to place the same kind of percentile symbol here. So we need to search for this and these can be found in the option A. So we will be selecting A as our correct answer. So here this comes like this and then we need to draw this. Okay, and here we have one more circle here and one more circle here. That's it, right? So we have to search for this and where we could find that. And here we have a extra circle, so A is eliminated. We don't require this black circle, so we will be eliminating this. And this here, the direction is different, so B is also eliminated and the correct answer is D. So we will be selecting D as our correct answer. Here, and circle can be completed like this. And after this circle, we need to draw one more hexagon here. Right? So, hexagon. And then we need to complete this big hexagon. Okay, next we need to search for this figure. So where it is, this circle is going inside, which is not correct, so A is eliminated. And then this is the thing which is not required, so B is also eliminated. And this seems somewhat correct, so we will be come to this after checking D. So inside this we don't require this one, so D is also eliminated. Finally C is our correct answer. This is how we have to complete our incomplete figures. Okay, so this is the exercise 1 and in this chapter, are you excited to do these kind of things? Yes, for you there are more sums and more problems are given, so you can go through, use a pencil and your textbook to do this interesting and happy figures. Okay, after completing these things, let me know if you have any doubts so that I will be explaining you in the next video. Okay, these are all for you and that's it with this session. So please complete this and let me know if you have any doubts. So after listening and understanding these many questions, I am giving you one more question to you to answer. So here I have given this question and here the part is incomplete. So, and you can see the 4 options here. From this you have to select one answer. Can you answer me? So write your answers in the comment section. And also follow up for the next session, that is about our mental ability series figures. So this is Become Navodayan Navodaya Preparation classes by Navodayans. We are teaching you how to prepare for the Navodaya examination to join Navodaya schools. And please share with the people and friends who are also preparing for the Navodaya examination.